In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Studio's CMS. Whether you're new to Wix or a seasoned user looking to expand your web development toolkit, this handy guide will walk you through the essentials of utilizing the content management system in Wix Studio, a robust platform designed explicitly for agencies and enterprises. Let's begin by heading over to Wix Studio, the web platform tailored for professionals. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one, but for those who do, proceed to the next step, which is logging in through Google. This is a convenient and secure way to access your Wix Studio account, especially if you rely on Google for your business or creative needs. Once successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here you'll notice various icons representing different functionalities that Wix Studio offers. Your focus should be on the CMS icon, which is usually symbolized by a database or content stack visual. Click on it and you'll be introduced to the content management interface, your central hub for managing your site's content structure and data. Now you'll see an option to start with a preset. This is incredibly useful as it offers you a foundational starting point, allowing you to build on pre-structured layouts rather than starting from scratch. Click on Start with a Preset. When you do this, a selection of presets will appear, each designed to meet different website needs such as blogs, portfolios, or online stores. Try to choose a preset that closely matches the vision you have for your site. Once you've selected a preset, you can click on Add to Site. This action integrates the preset into your existing site setup, which you can customize further to fit your needs. The beauty of Wix Studio's CMS lies in its flexibility. With the preset added to your site, you can now edit it to better align with your brand identity. Tailor these elements by adjusting layouts, changing text, or adding new images. The platform is intuitive, so feel free to experiment using the built-in tools Wix offers to customize until your site embodies the look and feel you want. Next, let's focus on adding items. On the CMS interface, click Add Item, which allows you to introduce new content under the preset you've chosen. This is your opportunity to populate your site with tailored content, be it new blog posts, portfolio pieces, or product listings. Customize each item as needed by editing the details to cater to your audience and business goals. As you navigate through these steps, remember that the customization of presets is where you can truly make your website your own. Invest time in editing the selected preset to reflect your brand's personality and comprehensive offerings. In using Wix Studio's CMS, you'll find a powerful ally in crafting a website that is both visually captivating and functionally robust.